ANCA Manufacturing Solution, as a company, we specialize in contract manufacturing business. Our product ranges from our ANCA parent company, which we make CNC canopies, 4x4 off-road accessories, electrical enclosure, electromechanical assemblies, and ETCs. In ANCA, globally, we are over 1,000 people. In AMS alone, we have 240 people, and we are expanded in 5 factories in Thailand. Look at focusing the sustainability of our business in all prospects, and we expand our business in the market to have multiple fields, multiple customers, to have multiple growths all across the market.
สำหรับ SolidWorks นะคะเราใช้ในงานที่ออกแบบเพื่อส่งลูกค้าอยู่แล้วนะคะส่วน 3DEXPERIENCE เราใช้ในการแชร์ไฟล์ไปยังลูกค้าและรับฟีดแบ็กจากลูกค้าค่ะผลิตภัณฑ์ทั้งหมดนับได้ว่าเริ่มจากดีไซน์เอนจิเนียร์หลังจากที่เราใช้ SolidWorks ในการเตรียมไฟล์ข้อมูลต่างๆนานาเพื่อที่เราจะนำไปใช้งานต่อค่ะแล้วใช้ 3DEXPERIENCE นะคะในการแชร์ไฟล์ทั้งหมดนี้ไปยังแผนกที่เกี่ยวข้องทุกแผนกค่ะเพื่อที่จะโปรเซสต่อไปนะคะตั้งแต่ไฟล์ที่ยังเป็นโปรโตไทป์ไปจนถึง Mass Production ค่ะ
So we decided to use 3DEXPERIENCE in SolidWorks. One of the major reasons is its native integration with SolidWorks and the PLM features what 3DEXPERIENCE provides, which gives us a better revision control of our 2D, 3D and DXFs, including all the documentations. It helps us to share the files and the data internally within our company, plus externally with the customers, which they can review and feedback to us. That's one of the good things for 3DEXPERIENCE is it is the integration directly with SolidWorks. We don't have to buy any additional license. We don't have to do anything additional other than just keep doing the same thing SolidWorks what is doing and use 3DEXPERIENCE as the additional PLM control and the revision control. So once we decided to implement 3DEXPERIENCE SolidWorks, then the first thing was to get the staff, the designers, engineers trained. So we had lots of rounds of trainings with the Metro System, including Metro System come here and give us the trainings. And currently we are implementing a pilot project with the help of Metro System to use SolidWorks in our company. I have started to see the changes in our design team and the design control. Most of the things what we were not able to control and store multiple places, we can keep it one place. Plus the efficiency in the design team is increasing day by day with the use of 3DEXPERIENCE. To keeping up with the variety of market, it's a huge market for contract manufacturing. Anybody can make it, but the service to provide to the customer, keeping up with the market, keeping up with the technology in the market, that will be the biggest challenge to see. So we should be implementing new technologies coming in the market and keeping up with the speed and keeping it, like you said, and precise, keeping the same design standard, don't have any errors, issues. So that will be one of the biggest challenge to implement the change and keep the same consistency.